Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today in this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Lawyers Mutual. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Then click on the search engine and type in Lawyers Mutual. Now click on the link which has this logo. This is the official website of Lawyers Mutual. Now on the navigation bar on the right side, you can see an option which says Member Benefits. Click on it. Now you can type in your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account, you can click on this link and create a new account. And if you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset your current password. Now type in your username. Now type in your passwords. Now if you want to save your information on the browser, you can click on this box and mark it as checked. Now click on login, and following this simple and easy step, you are now able to log in Lawyers Mutual. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.